Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a popular option in the renewed PC market, the Dell OptiPlex 7040 small form factor desktop. This particular configuration comes equipped with an Intel Core i5-6500 processor running at 3.20 GHz. While not the newest chip on the block, this i5 is a solid performer, providing reliable and consistent speed for everyday computing tasks, web browsing, office work, and general productivity. Handling multitasking is 16 gigabytes of RAM. This is a generous amount for most users and allows you to run multiple applications smoothly without slowdowns. For storage, it features a 256 gigabytes solid-state drive. The SSD is a crucial upgrade over traditional hard drives, ensuring fast boot times and quick loading of applications and files. One of the standout features of this specific OptiPlex 7040 is the inclusion of a dedicated AMD Radeon RX 550 graphics card with 4 gigabytes of memory. This isn't something you typically find in a standard business class SFF machine. The RX 550 adds significant graphical capability, making this PC suitable for light to moderate gaming, video playback, and even some basic content creation tasks. It also supports dual monitors via its DisplayPort and HDMI outputs. Connectivity is robust with this machine. It offers a total of 10 USB ports, which is more than enough for all your peripherals. You also get DisplayPort and HDMI for video output, an RJ45 Ethernet port for wired networking, and convenient headphone and microphone jacks on the front panel. A DVD drive is also included for optical media. Adding to the value, this renewed system includes built-in wireless Wi-Fi, so you don't need an extra adapter. It also comes with a brand new wired keyboard and mouse, so it's ready to go right out of the box. The operating system is a clean installation of the latest Microsoft Windows 10 Home, free from unnecessary bloatware. Being a small form factor PC, it has a compact footprint, making it ideal for desks where space is limited. Considering it's a renewed system, this configuration offers a compelling blend of performance, features, and value, especially with the added dedicated graphics card.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.